this is not about only Madhu Park Ridge. If today it is Madhu Park Ridge, tomorrow it could be any community that is flourishing. So my first question to the team who has proposed this Gandhi Sarovar project is, what essential beautification do you identify at the cost of 450 plus family in Madhu Park Ridge and the alongside areas of Madhu Park Ridge? This project is not that so essential that you have to demolish and make 450 families suffer. And I want to question the team, where is the assessment? Where is the assessment that you have conducted mentioning how many livelihood will be at the cost of this project? How the biological impact it is going to bring? Where is the assessment being published that this is the reason we are coming up with this project? Constructing one idol at the cost of so many families is not even a small child will also think. So being in that such a big power, you do not even consider the people who have chosen you. Always remember, if a public can choose you, public can take you off. Government is by the people, for the people. You cannot become a government from the support of people and then go against those people who have chosen you. You go for development. Why you want development with demolition? What is the concept of state government lands? Why are those lands given to state government if you want private lands? Then surrender all the government lands being allocated. If you cannot identify one government land where this project can be, you can go ahead with, then surrender all the state government land that has been allocated to you. There is a concept of giving a private land and you are acquiring private land for such a cause which is not even empowering in any of the sectors, any of the fields.